In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to process orders WooCommerce. By the end, you'll feel confident moving an order from the moment it appears in your store to a properly updated status your customer can see. First, sign into your WordPress dashboard. Use your usual admin credentials and make sure you're logging in securely. Once you're in, you'll land on the main dashboard screen where you can manage your site and store. Next, look to the left-hand sidebar. Click WooCommerce, then click Orders. This brings you to the orders list, which shows each order's number, date, customer, total, and current status. If you don't see the WooCommerce menu, double-check that the plugin is installed and that your user role has permission to manage orders. From the orders list, open the specific order you want to work on by clicking the order ID or the customer's name. This takes you into the order detail page. Take a quick moment here to review the essentials: the items purchased, quantities, totals, billing and shipping details, and the payment method. It's good practice to confirm everything looks right before you update anything, especially if physical products need to be shipped or stock needs attention. At the top right of the order page, locate the order status drop-down. This is where you control the order's lifecycle. Here are the common options and what they mean at a glance. Pending payment means the order was created, but no payment is recorded yet. Processing means payment is received and you still need to fulfill or ship items. On hold usually indicates you're waiting on something like manual review or stock. Completed is for fully fulfilled orders, often used once goods are delivered or for virtual products once they're available to the customer. You may also see canceled, refunded, or failed for exceptions. Choose the status that accurately reflects what's happening with this order. As a tip, most physical goods move to processing when payment clears, then to completed after shipment or fulfillment. For digital or virtual items, you can often go straight to completed once payment is confirmed. After you've selected the correct status, click Save Order. This applies your change. You should see a confirmation message, and many stores will automatically notify the customer when a status changes. If you're testing, use a staging site or turn off emails to avoid sending test notifications to real customers. Return to the orders list to confirm the updated status badge appears as expected. That's it. Log in, open the order, choose the right status, and save. Follow this flow consistently, and your WooCommerce orders will stay accurate, organized, and clear for both your team and your customers.